2 and welcome to Solasta Lux. Imagine yourself taking a break from the sun and sand to attend a cocktail workshop at the Perfect Serve agency. The agency's talented mixologists will guide you through the art of crafting delicious cocktails using fresh, local ingredients. You'll learn how to shake, stir, and garnish like a pro, and you'll even get to sample some of your creations. In the evening, Solasta Luxury Conciergerie will arrange a dinner at Michelin-starred restaurants like Cheval Blanc, Odette à Saint-Tropez for you. You'll be treated to an unforgettable culinary experience, savoring exquisite dishes prepared with only the finest ingredients. The ambiance will be intimate and sophisticated, and the service will be impeccable. After dinner, you'll spend a relaxing day at a luxury spa. You'll be pampered with massages, facials, and other treatments that will leave your body feeling refreshed and revitalized. The spa's tranquil atmosphere will help you unwind and de-stress. To top off your luxurious getaway, Solasta Luxury Conciergerie will arrange a party on a private yacht. You'll dance the night away to the rhythm of the music, surrounded by beautiful surroundings and the company of like-minded individuals. Throughout your stay, you will have a personal butler at your disposal to assist you with all your needs. Whether you need help booking restaurants, arranging excursions, or finding the best shops, your butler will be there to make your life easier. Your luxurious vacation in Saint-Tropez will be an unforgettable experience. You'll have enjoyed the finer things in life, from the comfort of your Villa Le Faune to the delicious cuisine and the pampering treatments. You'll have made memories that will last a lifetime, and you'll leave Saint-Tropez feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and inspired.